Environment is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. In the last two videos, I shared some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. Today, I'll share questions and sample answers to help you practice these phrases. You can find the link to the PDF document in the first comment. Part 1. Do you think it's important to protect the environment? Why or why not?
Yes, I believe it's crucial to protect the environment because it directly affects our health and well-being. By preserving nature, we ensure that future generations can enjoy clean air, water, and a balanced ecosystem.
What do you do to help protect the environment?
I try to reduce waste by recycling and using reusable bags. I also make an effort to save energy, like turning off lights when not in use, and prefer public transport or cycling to reduce my carbon footprint.
Do you think pollution is a big problem nowadays?
Yes, pollution is a major issue today, particularly air and plastic pollution. It harms the environment and affects our health. More needs to be done to reduce waste, limit industrial emissions, and encourage cleaner energy sources.
What kinds of environmental problems are common in your country?
One of the most common environmental issues in my country is pollution, especially air and water pollution. There's also deforestation and the loss of biodiversity due to rapid urban development.
Do you think there is enough awareness about environmental issues in schools?
I think schools are doing a good job of educating students about the environment. Many schools have programs on recycling, saving energy, and the importance of nature, but there could be more focus on teaching practical solutions.
Do you think people in your country are concerned about the environment?
Yes, I think many people are becoming more aware of environmental issues. There's a bigger effort to use less plastic and choose eco-friendly options like electric cars and renewable energy.
Have you ever participated in any environmental events?
Yes, I have participated in a local beach cleanup event. It was a great experience as I helped remove waste from the shoreline. It also raised awareness among the community about the importance of keeping our environment clean.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe an environmental problem in your country. You should say what the problem is, where it happens, how it affects the environment, and explain what should be done to solve it.
One of the most significant environmental problems in my country is air pollution, particularly in large cities like the capital. The main causes are the increasing number of vehicles, industrial emissions, and rapid urbanization. When more people buy cars, traffic gets worse and more harmful gases are released into the air. Additionally, factories and power plants contribute harmful gases, making the air quality even worse. Air pollution has many harmful effects on the environment. It leads to global warming, acid rain, and damage to ecosystems, including plants, animals, and water bodies. For example, poor air quality can cause respiratory problems for people, especially children and the elderly, who suffer from breathing difficulties. To solve this problem, the government should take immediate steps to reduce pollution. One solution is to improve public transportation, making it more accessible and affordable to reduce the number of cars on the road. Promoting the use of electric cars and setting stricter rules for factory emissions can also help. In addition, creating more green spaces like parks and trees can help absorb pollutants and improve air quality. Raising public awareness is crucial as well. Schools and community groups could organize campaigns to educate people about the importance of reducing their carbon footprint. By working together, the government and citizens can contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. What are the causes of environmental damage?
Environmental damage is mainly caused by human activities like deforestation, pollution, overconsumption of resources, and industrialization. Climate change is getting worse because of burning fossil fuels and using too much plastic. For example, cutting down forests for farming reduces wildlife and increases carbon in the air.
How can individuals make a difference in protecting the environment?
Individuals can make a significant difference by building simple, eco-friendly habits. These include saving water and electricity, recycling, and using reusable or sustainable products. Even small actions, like replacing single-use plastics with reusable items, add up over time. For example, energy-saving appliances can lower your home's power use and reduce harm to the planet.
Do you think governments should do more to protect the environment?
Yes, governments play a vital role in environmental protection. Governments can make rules to control industries and support green energy. For example, governments can provide subsidies for solar energy to make it more affordable for everyone. They can also pay for research and create plans to fight climate change.
Do you think it's important to protect wild animals? Why?
Yes, it's very important to protect wild animals. They help keep nature balanced and support a healthy planet. Wild animals are important, and future generations should have the chance to see and learn about them. By saving their homes and stopping extinction, we also protect nature's beauty and resources for everyone.
What can be done to help protect wild animals?
To protect wild animals, we can create and enforce laws that prevent hunting and destroying their homes. Creating national parks and wildlife reserves gives animals safe places to live. Teaching people why conservation is important can also help. Finally, reducing pollution and addressing climate change can help preserve habitats for wild animals.
Do you think older people have as much awareness of environmental problems as the younger generation?
I think older people may not be as aware of environmental problems as younger generations because young people learn more about these issues in school and online. However, many older people are becoming more conscious, especially as they notice changes like extreme weather or health problems caused by pollution in their daily lives.
What causes climate change?
Climate change is primarily caused by the increase in greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, which trap heat in the atmosphere. The burning of fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and industrial activities are the main contributors to these emissions. For example, cutting down rainforests means fewer trees to absorb carbon dioxide, which makes the problem worse.
That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos.